Hello friends, are you ready to know the tip of the day? We are up to know the difference in meaning of the most commonly used words in English language. Much and many. Let's see how to use them. Much is generally used to represent an uncountable noun. For instance, there is so much rice left in the plate. It means still a considerable amount of rice is left over in the plate. We don't count the number of grains in cereals. So, the appropriate choice would be to use much instead of many. Let's look at another example. After much consideration, the offer was accepted. As in the previous example, we cannot count how much considerable we are. What if we can count? Then, many would be the appropriate choice. I have many books in my house. It is possible to count the number of books you have. And thus many is chosen to express that. Many people came for the reception. It is possible to count the number of people who walked in for the event. Thus, we use many to indicate the number. I assume this was helpful for you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Inspire.